So the best way to open this up here is to get a knife here. As you can see, I got a knife, and then the best way to open it is turn this on the back, and then you should see this piece of plastic here. So I'm going to go ahead and cut this through here right quick, or I could just take it off. I don't know, but yeah, I think cutting would be best. Kind of go something like that. There we go. That's pretty cool. So I'm going to go ahead and take this thing out of the box. Take everything out. There we go. Alright, so let's see here. First thing you'll see is some kind of instructions and all that. So that's pretty cool. And then there's the instructions of the headset. And then here's some kind of a manual. Alright, so put that to the side. And then I'm going to take this big box out. Alright, there we go. So I'm going to put the box on the side here, because I don't need it no more. Alright, so these are the headphones that I got. The HyperX, so as you can see here, it's pretty cool. It's not bad, so I'm going to go ahead and take this piece of plastic thing off. There we go. And take this out, just take that out, take everything out and put this on the side. And then there's one more thing here I'm going to take out too. Is this USB thing. This is a USB for your computer or PlayStation or Nintendo Switch. And then this here must be your charger for your computer, for your headphones, okay? So that's pretty cool. And this here is your microphone. As you can see, this is the microphone part. So that's pretty cool. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and then, what else we got? This here is the microphone part. This is the, I guess you could say cover for it, for the microphone. So that's pretty cool. And then this is what the headphones look like without the, microphone attached to it. So I'm going to take this plastic off here right quick. Oh, come on. There's like so much plastic on this thing. Alright, so put that on the side there. Take that one off, and then take the side off. And then I'm going to go ahead and put this in. This can go like right here. See, as you can see, that's where it goes. We just got to plug it in like that. Okay, so that's pretty cool. Alright, so the next thing is I'm going to go and put this thing on. This little cover. Alright, so I'm going to take this thing out. Here we go. So that's pretty cool. So a nice little cover. Alright, so it goes onto the microphone. Kind of like this. Not too sure which way it goes, but that's what it looks like. So that's pretty cool. It's nice and big. Nice. And then for this USB thing here, I'm going to take this apart and show you where it goes onto the headphones. Just so you know, this is the USB connector to the headphones, like right here. It goes like right here, and plug it in. And then this here will also plug it into your computer, so that way you can charge it overnight and things like that. So that's pretty cool. Not bad for a headset. And just so you know, I got this item from Amazon for about $100. I got it on sale. Originally it was like 150, but something like that. But yes, I got this on sale for 100. But anyways, I think that's pretty much it today about this headphones. If you guys like it, just leave a like and subscribe if you are new here. Oh, and just one more thing, just so you know, these are the buttons to turn the volume up and stuff like that, turn on the headphones and stuff, so that's pretty cool. But yeah, this is pretty cool. So anyways, I want to say thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys later.